Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Elena and I am a 23-year-old Pisces. If it's not your first time here, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you and your soul and your life and everything, and may God bless you to be the richest person on the earth. Anyway, y'all, if you see my video about my hair porosity, then you will know that I am wearing the same thing. But we did a hair porosity video and we found out that I have low hair porosity, and this whole time I thought I had high hair porosity. So we got to get some new products and stuff like that. The whole point of this hair mask that we're going to do today, as you can see in the title down below, is because when we did our hair porosity test, we had to basically strip our hair from all that good stuff that we keep in our hair. So I had to go in with harsh shampoo that I don't usually do because I usually co-wash and all that good stuff. And that's why my hair looks like this now. But we are about to fix this baby up. So I have this aloe vera here, which I kind of messed up on because I bought it a little while ago and I was supposed to do this video for you guys, and I didn't. So we're gonna crack this baby open and we're gonna see if it's good on the inside. I have this thing here and I have my little magic bullet, and what we're gonna do is put aloe vera in here along with my olive oil. I think I'm just gonna take about that much, y'all. And I'm only cracking it without a knife or anything because it's pretty much soft already due to the fact that I had it sitting for a little bit. Yeah, I want to blend it to see if I can get those chunks out of it as much as possible. Ooh, guys, I'm on 20%. Hold up, let me AE lock, y'all. Boom. Okay. So yeah. Alright, so for you guys who don't know, this little end right here doesn't really have much. I know that when I'm applying product in my hair already, that I don't need that much. There's a piece of aloe in here. Probably like this much more. So I have this much left, guys. It smells like grass. If anybody wants to know the smell to aloe vera, it kind of smells like grass to me. But I have this much left out of that piece I had. I'm going to put it in this bag for now and then go into my kitchen and wrap it up and all that good stuff. And I have about this much in here. Can you see? Yes. And that's a lot, but honestly, I need it. Look, y'all, I already got a piece of aloe vera in my hair. That's enough of it. So let's top her up. I know that aloe vera is really good for the face too, so I might do a face mask, a homemade face mask with aloe vera. Oh my god, this is so hard. I think we're good. Okay. Yeah, that's my little hair mask with my little aloe vera and my little olive oil. I don't know, this is supposed to be good for like hair growth and all that stuff. So we're gonna check it out and we're gonna see. And when I literally break my hair into sections, y'all, like, I'm not really neat about it. I just make sure they're kind of in sections and go about my applying, you know? I should probably get my diamond brush, right? Let me get my diamond brush. I'll be right back. Okay, period, proof. So let's see. Hopefully, like, it blended all the way. It smells weird and it's hot and it's all blended, yeah. It's probably hot because it was blending for a while. Yeah, I'm just gonna like take some and apply. We'll see. Make sure you're wearing clothes that you don't care about because this does have oil in it. And so if the oil gets on anything, it's most likely not gonna come out. All of this feels pretty good. I just need to get more at the tip. So yeah, I'm probably gonna fast forward this for you guys and I'm gonna put this in my hair and then we'll get back. Okay. So everything's in my hair now, guys. You guys saw that I did put a lot of olive oil in it, so it is more like the thicker side, but I kind of like that, to be honest with you. You can see like how shiny it is. Look at that. And I didn't even use much, like how much is left. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more in the middle of my hair, right back here where my hair is most dry, and then I'm just gonna wrap this up. I am gonna try and apply a little bit of heat to my hair, since my hair is telling me I have low porosity hair, and when you have low porosity hair, you want to apply heat when you're doing masks so it can penetrate better, all that good stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's it, guys. This is me making my hair mask at home. I'm gonna leave it in for a couple hours. What time is it? 2:20 right now. I'm gonna leave it in till like 4:30. But I definitely want you guys to see what my hair looks like after I take this out and all that stuff. So don't worry, I'll be back. Thank you guys for watching so far. Appreciate you so. See you in a few. Okay, so the time is like 6:18, something like that. And the time will be up on the screen, but I left it in my hair for 2 hours, like I said, and I washed it out. I went in with my my As I Am co-wash, and I did use the Blueberry Bliss Curl reparative hair mask. I left it in there for a little bit while I was washing up and stuff like that, and then I washed it out with cold water, of course. And this is my final result, guys. And I must say, like, my curls are actually the back is still dry, but it's not as dry as it usually is. So I think I'm liking this hair mask. Wow. It looks mad shiny and not dry. If you watched my last video, like I said, you know that I have low porosity hair now. So I don't know. This is a product I have in my house right now. It's the Marc Anthony one, and I never used this. So I'm gonna use this, and I also have this in my house. It's Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. I like when I put this in my hair, it gives me a nice shine. So I'm gonna put that in my hair as well and see what that does. So we're gonna use these two products, which is a completely different new way for me, and we're gonna see what happens. But I'm not gonna film that for you guys here. I'm gonna film that in a separate video, so just stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to show you guys the final results of this hair mask, and I like it. So definitely a 10 out of 10. I recommend. Let me know if you guys try it, and send me, like, follow me on Instagram so you can send me your results and stuff like that, because I want to know. I think I'm gonna do it again in like 2 or 3 days, to be honest with you. But yeah, so that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and being patient. Make sure you guys liked the video. If you thought it was interesting, cool, if you got info out of it, something that you didn't know, anything, like it. If you made it to this part of the video, comment down below a black heart for my black t-shirt. Black hearts, I know you made it to the end of the video. I'm sad to go, but I'll see you guys soon. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.